In the bustling world of project management, especially for freelancers, consultants, and small to medium-sized businesses, managing the nuts and bolts of a project goes beyond just task lists and deadlines. It extends to the financial heartbeat of your operations. Invoicing, expense tracking, and getting paid. This is where accounting software like FreshBooks steps in. While many might recognize it primarily as an invoicing tool, its true function extends far beyond that. As a project management expert, I see FreshBooks as a crucial operational ally, particularly for those whose projects culminate in billable work. Its core function is to streamline the financial aspects of your business, ensuring that your hard work translates smoothly into revenue. It's designed to simplify complex financial tasks, making them accessible even to those without an accounting degree. Let's break down the primary functions of FreshBooks, understanding how each contributes to a more efficient and profitable project lifecycle. 1. Simplified invoicing, turning work into income. At its heart, FreshBooks excels at creating and sending professional invoices. This is often the first feature users encounter, and for good reason. It transforms the often dreaded task of billing into a quick, intuitive process. Professional templates. FreshBooks offers customizable invoice templates that allow you to brand your invoices with your logo, colors, and specific project details. This makes your billing look polished and trustworthy. Recurring invoices. For ongoing projects or retainer clients, you can set up recurring invoices to be sent automatically at a set frequency, weekly, monthly, etc. This saves immense time and ensures you never forget to bill for regular services. Payment gateways integration. Crucially, FreshBooks integrates with popular online payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Square. This means your clients can pay you directly from the invoice with a click, significantly speeding up payment collection and improving your cash flow. Automatic reminders. You can set up automated late payment reminders that FreshBooks sends to clients if an invoice becomes overdue. This gentle nudge often prompts quick payment without you having to manually chase clients. For a project manager, this function means less time spent on administrative billing tasks and more time focusing on project execution and client satisfaction. 2. Expense tracking, understanding your project costs. Every project incurs costs, from software subscriptions to travel expenses, contractor fees, or even office supplies. FreshBooks' expense tracking function is vital for understanding the true profitability of your projects and for tax purposes. Easy import. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards directly to FreshBooks, allowing it to automatically import your transactions. Receipt capture. The FreshBooks mobile app allows you to snap photos of receipts, categorize them, and attach them to specific expenses. No more shoeboxes full of paper receipts. Categorization. You can easily categorize expenses, making it simple to see where your money is going and to generate reports for tax time. Billable expenses. For project managers, a particularly useful feature is the ability to mark expenses as billable and then easily add them directly to a client's invoice. This ensures that you recoup all project-related costs. Accurate expense tracking is fundamental to maintaining financial health and making informed decisions about future project pricing and resource allocation. 3. Time tracking, valuing your work accurately. For service-based businesses, time is literally money. FreshBooks' time tracking functionality is invaluable for those who bill by the hour or need to monitor project hours for efficiency. Built-in timer. You can start a timer directly within FreshBooks while you're working on a task or project. Manual entry. If you forget to start the timer, you can easily add time entries manually. Project-specific tracking. Link time entries directly to specific clients and projects, ensuring that all billable hours are captured. Seamless invoicing. Once time is tracked, it can be effortlessly added to an invoice with just a few clicks, eliminating manual calculations and potential errors. This function ensures that you are accurately compensated for every minute of your effort, providing transparency to your clients and data for your own project profitability analysis. 4. Financial reporting, gaining business insights. Beyond just inputting data, FreshBooks helps you make sense of it all with its reporting capabilities. This is where the true function of financial software shines, providing insights that drive better business decisions. Profit and loss statements. Understand your revenue versus expenses to see your profitability. Sales tax reports. Simplify tax season by generating reports for sales tax collected and paid. Expense reports. See where your money is being spent. Accounts receivable aging. Identify overdue invoices and who owes you money. Client reports. Get a summary of your income and expenses per client. These reports are not just for accountants. They are vital tools for project managers to assess project profitability, understand client value, and forecast future financial performance. 5. Client management. Centralizing communication. As discussed previously, FreshBooks includes a robust client portal. This feature centralizes communication and transactions between you and your clients, creating a more professional and efficient interaction space. Secure access. Clients can log in securely to view invoices, make payments, and access project updates. Communication hub. Messages and comments related to invoices or projects can be exchanged directly within the portal. Proposal and estimate approval. Clients can review and approve estimates and proposals online, streamlining the sales process.